Welcome to this video in which I will show you how to fill little holes in a wooden surface. In a previous video I've already shown you how to fill a hole, meaning going through the surface, and here we'll be doing smaller ones. Let's go! So quite a couple of holes to fill. So the most important ones are probably the ones in the front because they're very visible. So we're starting by cleaning the little holes. By a rough cleaning, it aims at making sure that the wood paste afterwards will hold. It's rather funny, it reminds me an advert from the Belgian Post where you could see football player within boxes. So now we let it dry, and in the meanwhile we are getting the different ingredients we'll need. So as it's winter time and that the wood paste was stored in the cellar, I'm putting them on the radiator for them to get a little bit of heat. And you see here, by the way, my wonderful cleats made out of pallets. So this is the wood paste. This is a little spatula I found on the flea market, which is absolutely fit for purpose, and I'm just now placing the wood paste inside the hole. And here I'm trying to really go to the bottom of the hole, which is absolutely fit for purpose, and I'm just now placing the wood paste inside the hole. I'm even pushing here that it's really going down, the wood paste. Then a bit of spatula, which by the way also enables us to recuperate the excess of the wood paste for placing it in other holes. For the very big holes, I will be taking a little dowel for pushing the wood paste as far as possible. This dowel coming from a Kallax. It's not toxic, so you can touch it with your hands, with your fingers. It's even easier because you can feel if it's well filled. For a surface like this one, it's almost easier. and it's not so bad to take a bigger spatula because it will better arrange the situation. So I found 180 paper is maybe a little bit too thick, but let's see. And I'm taking this here for making the sanding. The other option is to take the multifunction tool. Here I'm putting a 240 paper. Here it was not dry enough. So of course for the very deep hole, when it's drying, some substance is going away, so you have to put a second layer. That's it, my friends. Now our holes are perfectly filled. Let's have a close look now to see what they are looking like. But I can tell you that from far you won't see them at all. I hope that this video will enable you to successfully fill your holes. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Now here, as I sanded, I removed the paint. So now we make a little bit of troubleshooting in a very easy way, and that will be the subject of the next video. So I hope to see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.